What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So we have a second update video on the 1968 Chevy Chevelle SS. So I had more instructions on that. Alright, so we have it in paint and it's basically looking good, and it's almost assembly time for the interior and chassis and that good stuff. But I want you guys to update. Everything's all assembled, disassembled, I should say. So everything, I got other colors on and it looks pretty darn good. So the engine in the background and the exhaust, all this stuff is I mean, I did the I did make the exhaust staining. I think I did a little bit too much on this exhaust. I got a little bit too carried away, but I want to get back to this because I've been doing just plain aluminum exhaust. So I used to do this all the time, you know, staining exhaust like this, but I just kind of got away from it. I don't know why. So I think it's time to get back into it and liven up the exhaust a little bit. And I think I got a little bit too carried away and got a little bit too much staining on here, but that's okay. So anyway, that's on both of them, and it looks incredible. So you're wondering how you do that is, well, yeah, use candy colors. Tamia candy colors, or I actually use the good old Alcrad candy colors. Alcrad blue, red, orange, and yellow. So yeah, it looks pretty good. So I'm glad I want to get back into that, seeing my exhaust like that. So it looks very good. The interior is, well, I got the interior color right here, and I was really thinking of doing black, but I was like, nope. I found a different color, and this is XF-20 medium gray by Tamia. Very cool color, and I actually like it, especially the paint job on my car. So did it on the back seats too, and this kit comes with a headliner too, so that's pretty neat. So did that. And the door panels, so I obviously have a detail. I haven't detailed any of these parts. The dashboard and the center console and the steering wheel is semi-gloss black, so that looks pretty darn good. Looking forward to that. The chassis, the main frame chassis, and the suspension and axle and stuff is all semi-gloss black also. Looks pretty good. The main floor is just flat black, main, and on here too. So, but this is gonna get flocked, so that's not really gonna matter. But that's gonna get flat black. I might do some dry brushing, make it look used, and it looks pretty good. You get the red lines here, and they look fantastic. Got the little pins in there. I don't like using those for many reasons, but I'm gonna try them out. If I don't like them, I'm gonna take them right out. But that's pretty much about it. Like I said, I had, like you saw my first update video, you have some issues with the back bumper, but I re-chromed it and it looks a million times better, and it's back to proper size. So because that back bumper is way too big, it sticks out of the body way too much. So, and then the same with the front bumper also. Yeah, that back bumper it's kind of crazy how Revell did that. But other than that, the engine is, I did Chevy engine red. It is saying orange. I've been looking at some pictures. I'll show you right here. Yeah, I've been looking at some pictures and they look red to me, but maybe they're orange. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just maybe it's orange. But I don't know. Looks red. Looks orange. I don't know. So I just did red. They saying orange. Plus the reason why I did red is because I don't have orange paint. So I'm gonna have to get some ordered up, but that's why I did red. But that's pretty much about it. Like I said, everything's in our color and looking fantastic. So let's get to the body. I did something special with the body. It's actually a two-tone. Well, it's actually a three-tone. But the main body color is this one right here. I used the whole bottle, but it is Misty turquoise. I just love the name of that. And then the two-tone is actually a three-tone. The second tone is black, and the The other color is gray, so, or silver, my bad. So it looks pretty good. So let's show you the body. Let's go ahead and raise you up from here. There we go. And there it is. This body looks fantastic. My camera's not focusing. But yeah, you can see I put the main body on color. I put the main body color on first, and masked it off. Did the black down here. I used the decals, the white stripes. Actually look pretty cool. And then I did the silver on top, and it is very cool. Silver is gloss. You just can't really see it because it's silver. For me, it's, you know, you can see the reflection of my light. But very cool body. I just did the clear coat today, which is Friday, so you probably won't be seeing this video until Saturday. So, but gotta let this dry for a few days. I'd like to let my clear coat dry for at least 2 days. On to the third day, then I'll try to wet sand it. I want to do some wet sanding and get that more polished up and make it more shiny. But that will be it for now. I just want to give you guys a short update, and it's actually a very cool kit. Revell actually just released a different year. I forget what year it is, but Chevelle. So that is out. So that's very cool. I might have to get that one to put that one next to this car right here. But we'll see. I think a good chance I'm gonna get it. But other than that, that's it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And next time you're gonna see an update video is hopefully the chassis and interior is pretty much patched up, and then I'll do my other update video and then final, hopefully. But other than that, guys, that'll be it for now. And until my next video, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.